Hi everyone, it's Kino here. This is day 4 of 30 days of yoga for complete beginners. I hope you're feeling so much happiness that it starts to build up in your heart and bubble up into your life and that you're excited to practice today. So let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, hands together. As you exhale, rest your hands down to any comfortable position. Feeling your breath, your body and mind slowly come into focus. Your attention dropping inward for a few moments of sanctuary amidst the everyday moments of life. A long deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. Slowly begin by lengthening the spine up out of the pelvis, and we're going to bend a little over to the side. Exhale, take your right hand on the ground. Make sure that that left hip is firmly planted down. And then inhale, extend the left arm. We'll just stay here, feeling, breathing in a light little side stretch. 1. Nice and easy, deep breaths. Lift the rib cage and enjoy it. 2. Keep breathing, keep feeling. 3. Nice and easy. 4. Almost there. 5. Inhale. Come on back in. Exhale there. Let's pop on over to the other side. Exhale. Drop your left hand down. Lift the ribs and then inhale. Extend the right arm. 1. Soften through the neck. 2. And really reach. So I want you to feel your shoulders here. So we've got yoga practice that's, you're feeling the body. You're not only stretching, but also feeling. After 20 years of practice, the sensations and feeling in the body is so good. So I really want you to keep practicing with intelligence and with awareness. Roll that right shoulder forward, which is actually external rotation. You're gonna get the elbow towards your head and reach. And inhale, come on back in. Let's just shake that out for a moment. Then pop on over onto your hands and knees, and we've got tabletop position. All right, tabletop, now we're comfortable here. Grip your fingertips, your knees, hips width apart. Get comfortable in the hands, give yourself a little moment. All right, cat and cow. Inhale, extend, long deep breath in. Exhale, round, tuck under. Inhale, extend, long, deep breath in. Exhale as round, tuck under. 1 more. Inhale, extend, long, deep breath in. Exhale as round and under. Today, we're going to draw the knees in and exhale, child's pose, hands fully release near the feet. Soften for a few breaths. Nice, easy release. Relax your shoulders, relax your body. No tension in the body, no tension in the mind. Just soften gently down. Inhale, slowly lift the head up, and exhale, take the hands down. Let's open the knees just a little bit. We're going to try a new posture today called thread the needle. Wonderful for releasing tension in the neck and the shoulders. We're going to do the right side first. You're going to press into the left arm. Inhale, lift your right arm up and find that rotation through your torso. And then exhale, thread the needle. So you're threading your arm under like you thread a needle under. Drop the shoulder down. Then extend your left arm over and just soften through the neck. We'll stay for 5 breaths. Feel the tension in your shoulders, releasing, relaxing. Take this moment to feel and breathe. Roll your shoulder blade away from the spine, calming the mind. Enjoy your breath and your body. Enjoy the feeling. Enjoy the moment. All is well. All is well. Okay. Let's prepare to come out. So now, your neck's relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Just walk your left hand back. Press into the left hand. Inhale, come back to your tabletop position. Your hands shoulder width apart, your knees, hips width apart. Keep it nice and easy. Prepare for the other side. Press into your right hand. Inhale, lift your torso up. Get a big lift. Find the rotation and the reach. And then exhale, thread the needle through. If you topple over, no problem. Just enjoy it. Find your balance again and reach the left hand under, right arm overhead. It's all good. So laughing at yourself is so important, not only in yoga, but really in life. Having a sense of humor about yourself and just loving yourself through all the little stumbles and falls. It's such a great lesson. So just take a moment and love yourself through all the stumbles and falls and hold yourself in a really, really forgiving attitude. And let's just be here and breathe. I mean, it's just life. It's just yoga. We're here. We're feeling. It's all good. Tapping into a quiet inner space. Letting your energy drop down. Feeling love, peace, and harmony emanating outward from you. Soft and easy. Okay, let's walk your right hand back. Press into the right hand. Inhale. Come on back to your tabletop position. Curl your toes under. Let's get ready for our down dog. Inhale up to downward facing dog. Widen through the shoulders. Deep breathing. Bend the knees. Feel hip joints. Send the hips back and up. 1. Nice and easy. 2. Steady breaths. 3. Take these 5 breaths in downward dog to really come into deep alignment between breath and body, between mind and heart. Good. Let's look forward. Now we try extended side angle pose. Inhale, step your right foot forward. Come on your fingertips and slide it forward. Left heel presses back. Grab a yoga block. Place it on the outside of your foot. Press into your block and gently come up. Now, if you don't have a yoga block, you can take your forearm on the right thigh. Pressing into the block may give you a more solid foundation. Remember, you can use a book or any object you feel you can press into. Find the left hip. Let's open the left hip. Press into the back leg and then extend the right arm. Left arm. Extend the left arm. Gaze at the left fingertips. We stay 5 breaths. 1. 2. Extend. Open the chest. 3. You can sink down a little bit with that right knee over the ankle. Extend the chest. 3. Reach and breathe. 4. Almost there. 5. Let's drop the left hand down. Let's grab your yoga block. Bring up your yoga block and then let's switch the sides. Take your left knee over the ankle and just pivot over. Open through the chest. Get that firm foundation. Open through chest. And then extend. Now the right arm. Press into the right side. Left knee down over the ankle. Open the chest. 1. Deep breathing. 2. Nice and easy. Keep shoulders open. 3. Stay with it. Feel your neck releasing. 4. Stay with it. Deep breaths. Nice and easy. 5. Drop your hand down. You can move your block on over and then let's pivot around back to the front. Take your hands down and inhale, plank pose. All right, tuck your tailbone. Bring your shoulders forward. 5 breaths. 1. Fire up the shoulders. 2. 3. 4. Don't give up. 5. Point the feet. Inhale, upward facing. Long, deep breath in. Exhale, down. Let's come on back to downward facing. From downward facing, let's walk half the distance in for the hanging forward fold. Take a moment, drape gently down, layering your arms, just give a little gentle release, relax. Soft bend in the knees and then straighten the legs, release, relax. And then let's bend the knees, marichyasana, hold on to your big toes. Inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale, forward fold. 1, we take 5 breaths. 2, steady breaths. 3, 4, almost there, 1 more. 5, inhale, straighten the arms, exhale, walk your hands forward. Inhale, back to plank position, find your plank. Good, point the feet, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, through the tabletop, back to downward facing. From downward facing now, let's sink the knees down, cross your feet, and let's come down to seated. Stretch the legs out. Now, from here, bend the right knee up into the body. Let's hold the right knee. This posture is called marichyasana A, first of all the poses, dedicated to the sage marichi. So now the left hand is out to the side and slowly fold your body forward. So just hold that for a moment. If you feel quite flexible, you could lift your back hip off the ground and drop your shoulder down in front of your thighs. You can bend forward. If not, just go ahead and stay up and hold onto the knee and we'll just bend a little bit forward. Good. Keep breathing. Keep the breath nice and fluid. Work through the hip joint a little bit. Stay there, feeling, breathing. Keep the mind nice and calm. One day, after many years of practice, you'll reach around and bind the hands, but we'll save that for the next 10 years or so. All right? So we just understand where we're going. There's no competition in yoga. There's just breath and body. Now inhale, let's lift the head up. Exhale, settle the hips down, straighten the right leg. Do the left leg. Pull the left leg in. Leave a space between your left foot and your right thigh, and then hug the knee in. Take right hand on the outside, and then just gently lean forward. You're gonna lift that left hip off the ground as you lean the chest just gently forward. All right? So we'll hold that there, steady breathing. Working through breath and body. If it's easy for you, you can bring the hands down. And remember, eventually binding the hands, but please don't force it. We want to really feel the movement in the hip. That binding of the hands is just something extra to kind of tie a pretty bow on the posture. What we really want to feel is your pelvis releases to make space for your chest to drop down. All right. Inhale, slowly, let's come up. That was good. Settle down, straighten the legs out, scoot your pelvis forward, then exhale, let's slowly down. Hug the knees into the chest. Nice and easy. Hands on the ground. Inhale, legs up, Viparita Karani. We'll stay here for a few breaths. Move your block over. Steady breathing. Point the toes. Keep the mind calm. Soften gently down. So let those layers of tension drop off of the body. Layers of tension release. Relax. Soften down. Keep the mind nice and steady. Quiet and aware. Move into a healing space. Open yourself up into a healing space. If your feet are not comfortable just up, you can take them onto the wall. So that's something to really note. If you need to bend the knees a little and put the feet on the wall, it's just about what's comfortable for your body. Extend the legs for a moment. Just stay there, feeling. Maybe 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. And bend the knees, straighten the arms and legs, and relax. Release, drop down. Feel the heart center, feel the breath, feel the body. Notice what is. Plant the seeds of kindness in your heart. May I be happy. May I forgive myself. May I love myself. May I share happiness, forgiveness, and love with the world. May wisdom arise in my heart and mind. May I share wisdom with the world. A long deep breath in and feel those good vibrations. Exhale as you wiggle fingers, toes, hands and feet. Softly bend the knees. Squeeze into the body. Thanks to yourself. So much gratitude. So much gratitude. So much gratitude. Exhale, run to the side. Come on back up. Comfortable seated position. Eyes closed. Palms open. Tips of the index fingers together. Feel that vibration of peace, of love, of happiness emanating from your heart. In the yoga practice, we work to achieve ahimsa, a state of love and non-violence, a state of peace and harmony that we achieve first in ourselves and then share with others. Hands in prayer at the level of the heart. As you exhale, open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on the practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love today and every day. Remember to tune in tomorrow. If you're not a subscriber yet, you should totally subscribe to my channel. Namaste.